Samsung used to have a very bad track record when it came to giving Android upgrades to its smartphones, especially with its budget and mid-range devices. Well, looks like Samsung is finally changing its path recently because a lot of Samsung devices have already got the Android Pie upgrade, and not just flagship devices but mid-range and budget devices too. Well, two more devices are being added to that list, so let's have a look at them. First of all, the Samsung Galaxy A8 Star has started receiving its Pi update in India according to a media report. The latest update is set to bring Samsung's OneUI 1.1 interface as well as Google Digital Wellbeing feature. Alongside the Galaxy A8 Star, it is also news that the Samsung Galaxy J7 Pro is also getting the Android Pie upgrade. It was reported earlier that Samsung Galaxy J7 Pro got the new version in Russia earlier this month, and the rollout recently expanded to Russia, Mexico, Spain, and Algeria. The Pi upgrade for the Samsung Galaxy A8 Star comes bundled with a June 2019 security patch, while Galaxy J7 Pro users get the May security patch, reports Sam Mobile. Moving on, both of these devices get the OneUI version 1.1 that includes the digital well-being feature. And other staple features from Pi are also present here, which is great. There are also core OneUI features such as system-wide night mode, gesture-based navigation system, and lift-to-wake gesture support. It's really nice to see Samsung upgrading even their budget devices to the latest OS upgrade. You can check the availability of Android Pie update on your Samsung Galaxy A8 Star or Galaxy J7 Pro by going to Settings, Software Update, and Download Update manually. The update may take some time to reach all of the users because it is rolled out in phases. Moving on, to recall, the Galaxy A Star was launched in India back in August last year with Android 8.1 Oreo running Samsung UX experience on top. The J7 Pro, on the other hand, debuted in 2017 with Android 7.0 Nougat. Now, moving on with the OneUI's features, well, there are a lot of features and I will be making a separate video on that on my Samsung Galaxy S9 Plus. But for now, you should know that it is considerably different from what you are getting right now, and the experience, some people hate it, some people love it, but in my opinion, the OneUI experience on Android Pie is a lot better, both aesthetically as well as performance wise. So as soon as you get that update, do upgrade as soon as possible, and do let me know in the comment section below if you have got the latest update. So that's pretty much it for this video. If you like to click on the like button and also subscribe to my channel to get more such updates on smartphones. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.